in India. Tande Periyar, the destroyer of Brahminism in the Dravidian land. Rajshri Shahuji Maharaj, the founder of reservation and the pillar of social democracy in India. Baba Saheb Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the father of Indian Constitution and the authentic voice of untouchables in India. And Dada Saheb Kansi Ramji, the inheritor of Dr. Ambedkar's legacy and founder of Bomb Safe, DS4, BRC and Bahujan Samaj Party. My respectful Jai Bhim to our national coordinator and chief guest of this conference, Sri Akash Anand ji, special guest Ramji Gautam ji, MP Rajya Sabha, state coordinator Nitin Singh ji, state coordinator Mahasandra Muniappa ji, state coordinator Gopinath ji, and dynamic state president Krishnamurthy ji. All the distinguished guests and off the dais and my dear friends, brothers, sisters, Ellargu Jai Bhim. My dear brothers and sisters, it gives me an immense pleasure and honor to welcome and introduce our beloved national coordinator of BSP and promising leader of Bahujan Samaj of India, Mr. Akash Anand ji. On the occasion of this beautiful youth conference in Bengaluru. Friends, I never thought about this honor, but I have got this tremendous opportunity due to my inspirations and our great leader, Bahan Kumari Mayawati ji, National President of Bahujan Samaj Party, Goddess of Justice and ex-Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. There is an old saying, brain and brawn must go together. Brain and brawn must go together. A perfect combination of wisdom and speed makes an organization formidable one. An organization or movement cannot succeed if it does not follow this principle of fostering the young leadership. The experience of the seniors represents the wisdom and the youth represents the force and speed. As we all aware about, our party's supremo, Bahan Kumari Mayawati ji, has been adopting this principle from the very beginning. In fact, this is the greatest lesson of Manwar Kansiram Sahab, who had learned from the bitter experiences from the life of Baba Saheb Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Almost 15 years after the parinirvan of Baba Saheb Dr. Ambedkar, our movement was leaderless, as there was none to take the responsibility of carrying ahead the movement. Though Baba Saheb had many lieutenants, none was prepared to devote his or her life to the movement fully. Manwar Sahab did not want this to happen after his life, and hence he prepared many of his disciples, but none could succeed except our great leader, Bahan Kumari Mayawati ji. So, 15 December 2001, in a big rally held in Lucknow, Manwar Kansiram Sahab declared Bahanji as his sole successor. That is why our movement did not face any problem after the parinirvan of Manwar Kansiram Sahab in 2006. We are all aware that during the last 20 years, Bahanji has attempted to groom many youths to carry ahead the Bahujan Samaj movements at the national level. Bahanji too, learning this lesson from her master, but no one could come up to her expectation. And some had miserably failed to perform. At this stage, some of the senior party workers advised Bahanji to try her brothers. However, Bahanji did not want to bring any of her family members to the party as advised by her master, Manwar Kansiram Sahab. though Mr. Anand Kumar ji, the youngest brother of Behenji, took up many responsibilities voluntarily on his own and stood with Behenji during critical times. Behenji did not give him any position in the party. She wanted to prepare the youngsters from out of the family members, but to her disappointment, none could fit the role she desired. Finally, Mr. Akash Anandji, son of Brother Anand Kumarji, soon after returning to India after completing his studies from London, came forward to dedicate himself for the movement. Initially, Behenji was not enthusiastic about his induction into the party, but seeing his dedication and preparedness to sacrifice for the movement, she decided to give him the responsibility. Since then, Mr. Akash Anandji, our national coordinator, has become a full-fledged leader. Party worker, Mr. Akash ji did not disappoint our national leader. Experience of the past and hope of the future. Experience of the past and hope of the future has been merged together to handle the present effectively. Our national coordinator, Akash ji, an innovative and hopeful addition to this great combination. He has been touring the nation for more than 2 to 3 years, and he is too good at communicating with the party worker as well as the public. You see today behavior of our national coordinator Akash Anandji. We are seeing him as a very promising and hopeful leader. So, as we know that today the Bahujan movement is having the perfect combination of wisdom of experience, senior leaders, and also the force of highly qualified youth like Akash Anandji. So I am really very happy to introduce and welcome to most promising leader, none of others, Akash Anandji, to the land of Baswanna and Nalbadi Krishna Vadiyar, the philosopher king of Mysore. I request all of you to welcome him with a big applause. At the end of my words, I appeal to all of you, please respond with me to a powerful slogan, Vote Namdo, Raj Nimdo, Nadiyodilla, Nadiyodilla. Vote Namdo, Raj Nimdo. Vote Namdo, Raj Nimdo. Thanks. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್, ಜೈ ಭಾರತ್.
ಮಾತ್ರ ಪ್ರತಿಕ್ರಿಯಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಆದರೆ ಭಾಳ ಜನ ಏನೋ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕೂತಿದ್ರು, ಕೊನೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಹೊಡಿರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಹೊಡೋದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮೆಜಾರಿಟಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಬಹುಸಂಖ್ಯಾತ ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತರಿಗೆ ಅವ್ರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಸಂಕ್ಷಿಪ್ತವಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಅನುವಾದ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಹಾಪುರುಷರಾದ ಮಹಾತ್ಮ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಬಾ ಫುಲೆ, ತಂದೆ ಪೆರಿಯಾರ್, ಛತ್ರಪತಿ ಶಾಹು ಮಹಾರಾಜ್, ನಾಲ್ವಡಿ ಕೃಷ್ಣರಾಜ ಒಡೆಯರ್, ಶ್ರೀನಾರಾಯಣ ಗುರು, ಅನಂತರ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಬಾಬಾ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ ಅಂಬೇಡ್ಕರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮಾನ್ಯವರ ಕಾಂಶರಾಮ್ ಸಾಹೇಬರಿಗೆ ಅವರ ಪಾದಚರಣೆಗಳಿಗೆ ವಂದಿಸ್ತಾ, ಮತ್ತು ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾಯಕರಿಗೂ ಜೈ ಭೀಮ್ ವಂದನೆಗಳು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತರು, ರಾಜ್ಯ, ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ, ವಿಧಾನಸಭಾ ಮತ್ತು ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕೆಳಗೆ ತಾಲೂಕು ಗ್ರಾಮ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತರಿಗೆ ಜೈ ಭೀಮ್ ವಂದನೆಗಳು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, ನಾನಿವತ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಸಂಯೋಜಕರನ್ನ ಭಾಳ ಆನಂದದಿಂದ ಪರಿಚಯ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಸಂಯೋಜಕರು ಹಾಗೂ ಇಂದಿನ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಆಕಾಶ್ ಆನಂದ್ ಅವರೇ, ಹಾಗೆ ರಾಜ್ಯಸಭಾ ಸದಸ್ಯರಾದ ರಾಮ್ಜಿ ಗೌತಮ್ ಅವರೇ, ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸಂಯೋಜಕರಾದ ನಿತಿನ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಜಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ, ಮತ್ತೊಬ್ಬ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸಂಯೋಜಕರಾದ ಮಾರ್ಸಂದ್ರ ಮುನಿಯಪ್ಪನವರೇ, ಗೋಪಿನಾಥ್ ಅವರೇ, ಹಾಗೂ ದಿನೇಶ್ ಗೌತಮ್ ಅವರೇ, ರಾಜ್ಯಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಕೃಷ್ಣಮೂರ್ತಿ ಅವರೇ, ಉಪಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಕೆ ಬಿ ವಾಸು ಅವರೇ, ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂಧುಗಳೇ, ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿನ ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಸಂಯೋಜಕರನ್ನ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಮಾಡೋದರಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಆನಂದ ಮತ್ತು ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಗೌರವ ಉಂಟಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ಶುಭ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಪರಿಚಯ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ತುಂಬಾ ಸಂತೋಷ ಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ಅವಕಾಶ, ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ಅದ್ಭುತವಾದ ಸುವರ್ಣ ಅವಕಾಶ ನನಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಬೆನಿಂಜಿಯವರ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿಯಿಂದಾಗಿ ನನಗೆ ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ಅವಕಾಶ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಭಾಳ ಹಳೆಯ ಗಾದೆ ಒಂದಿದೆ, ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ದೇಹ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಮತ್ತು ಬುದ್ಧಿಶಕ್ತಿ ಎರಡು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ದೇಹ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಮತ್ತು ಬುದ್ಧಿಶಕ್ತಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಹಿರಿಯರು, ಅವರು ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಅನುಭವಗಳಿಂದ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಸಂಪಾದನೆ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆದರೆ ಭಾಳ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಇದೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಭಾಳ ವೇಗವಾಗಿ ಓಡಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದರೆ ವೇಗವಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ದೇಹ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಭಾಳ ಅತ್ಯಗತ್ಯ ಇದೆ. ಆ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಇರೋದು, ಸಾಮರ್ಥ್ಯ ಇರೋದು ಯುವಕರಿಗೆ. ಸೊ ಯುವಕರ ದೇಹ ಶಕ್ತಿ, ಹಿರಿಯರ ಜ್ಞಾನಶಕ್ತಿ, ಇವೆರಡು